RYOBI is taking charge in electrostatic spray technology. The RYOBI 1 Plus 1 gallon electrostatic sprayer saves time, chemicals, and money. It starts instantly, and with electrostatic technology, covers large areas faster, with less chemical usage and better results than traditional sprayers. By engaging the electrostatic feature, spray solution is charged when passing through the nozzle, allowing it to adhere and wrap surfaces more efficiently. With a comfortable backpack design and 1 gallon tank, it's ideal for spraying large areas with disinfectants, cleaning solutions, herbicides, fungicides, and insecticides. The adjustable nozzle has 3 settings for precise application of a variety of solutions and sprays up to 10 feet. It's powered by a RYOBI 1 Plus 18-volt battery and can spray up to 30 gallons per charge, so you can tackle any job. The RYOBI 1 Plus 1 gallon electrostatic sprayer. Part of the 1 Plus system.